Let's make a deal. Today's big deal of the day is worth over $20,000. This happens to be Mega Money Monday. Guaranteed 10 grand for someone in the audience. And in first place is Kevin with the home gym. Yeah! Let's make a deal. Who wants to make a deal? You, sir. Let's go. Hello, sir. Hey, David. You are the life of the party, man. It's as fun. Right?
Absolutely. Well, yeah, I got to be a little fun, whatever we do.
I love that.
And I know you know that.
Absolutely, you have to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, I mean, look at what I'm doing, right? This is great. This is fun.
That's why I wanted to be here.
But it's about you. What do you do?
Well, I am a retired college administrator, but now I have the best job I've ever had in my entire life. I teach drama to kids with special needs.
Wow.
And I have a blast. Every day is a miracle, and you never know what to expect.
Good for you, David.
What I love is I just did auditions for our Christmas shows, and I had a kid that came out, and I'm thinking to myself, oh, well, you're going to get a role. Everyone's going to get a role because everyone's in the show, and maybe it'll be a 2-word line or something like that, and he's got the lead. Nothing I did, it just came out of him, and it's going to be such a great show.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. So here's your deal, David. Curtain number 1 has a sound effects clue. Let's play it, Tiffany. Okay, there's that. Or Jonathan has that giant envelope. Let's hear the sound effects clue, Jonathan. Envelope. Okay, so you've got the envelope or curtain 1.
Well, I gotta say that I like the sunshine, so I'm going with envelope.
Envelope. Tiffany, let's see what the sound effects clue was.
All right.
It was a new washer and dryer.
The sound was the sound of the washer dryer.
Okay.
These high-tech household appliances feature an extra-large capacity top-load washer with voice control and a premium dryer equipped with Wi-Fi compatibility. We are including a steel laundry bin and a powerful commercial fabric steamer as well. Plus, you could have received a complete assortment of eco-friendly household cleaning products with a $500 gift card for more from Drops. This deal was worth $4,362.
So you passed on that. Let's take a look at the envelope, sir.
Zonk playing card.
You got zonked. David, I'm sorry, my friend.
That's okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. And thank you for what you're doing, David.
Thank you.
Give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Take a seat. Art can change lives.